That's Christmas party pictures. We don't have enough, we're running out.
That ought to be a beaut.
People do a lot of kooky stuff. Something kooky.
Gorsh.
That's not kooky.
Excuse me. No problem.
You got a call from someone.
Oh no, I only got one of those.
You like how it's
that I know of.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
See, Kato can do the nose headlight. Why can't they put a bell up top and mess with the handrail? That'd be a good
For Canadian?
Yeah, it'd be a good start.
Yeah, and the straight steps.
Yeah. Single headlight in the rear.
Yeah.
You know, it's gonna get nice out, but we're gonna change it again.
Do the,
I know, I
does
can't
the
go.
wide noses have a single headlight?